Hi, welcome to Liber Computers, where learning is fun. In today's session, we will learn about client-server model. The client-server model describes how a server provides resources and services to one or more clients. The client-server model defines which process on the server or client begins the interaction. Also which process replies with an answer. It also defines how the error conditions are managed on the network. Process classification is the service request and the reply that happens on the network, wherein the client requests a service from the server. In the server process, the server replies to the client on the network with the type of service requested by the client. When the client requests a service, the server provides the service and makes available the results to the client. A client is defined when an application requests a resource from a remote server, but the client can also perform other functions locally. Client functions are invoked locally by a user and executes only for one session. Client runs applications locally on a personal computer. The client actively initiates contact with the server to request resources. The client can access multiple services as needed, but contacts one remote server at a time. A client can be any device on the network, that is, it can have any type of hardware and operating system. A server can be any device that provides a resource and is dedicated to provide a particular service to the client. It can be a router providing internet, or a web server providing a HTTP request to a web browser. The resource is run from a shared computer and not a personal computer. A server is meant to provide services to its remote clients. The server can accept requests from many clients, but only offers a single service. The server needs to be powerful, and also has a sophisticated hardware and software components. The role of a server not only guarantees service requests, but also authentication and verification of the connected clients. It can also be authorization, that is, to verify the client requesting a particular service. Servers also maintain data security, which doesn't allow clients to have access to specific data. Now let's see the pros and cons of client-server model. A server is a centralized authority on the network, whose access simplifies network administration. The server, being the central authority on the network, it does not slow down with heavy use, and the network resources can be distributed. Centrally located, the backing up of data can be done easily. It reduces data replication, because the data is stored on the server instead of on each client. The disadvantage of the server model is, it needs a special operating system to handle the network. If the server fails, the whole network goes down, as the server can be a bottleneck on the network. It's very expensive to install and manage the server model, as dedicated software and hardware is needed. It also lacks independence, as a well-qualified network engineer or administrator is required to configure the network operating system. In this session today, we have learned about client-server model. Thank you for watching our video. Like, share, and subscribe our channel.